Ever wondered how the U.S. government stays in check? The three branches of government play a vital role in preserving democracy in the U.S. But how do they work together, and sometimes against each other, to keep power balanced? Let's explore how the three branches safeguard our freedoms and ensure no one branch holds all the power. The U.S. Constitution created three distinct branches of government: the legislative branch, which creates laws, the executive branch, which enforces laws, and the judicial branch, which interprets laws. These different roles show the separation of powers between the different branches of government. Checks and balances refer to the system where each branch has the power to limit or check the other branches, preventing any one from gaining too much power. So how does this look within the branches of government? Let's find out. In the legislative branch, Congress has two parts: the Senate with 100 senators, 2 from each state, and the House of Representatives, with 435 members based on state population. In Congress, legislators craft and pass laws. But Congress also has the power to check the other branches. For example, it can override a presidential veto with a 2/3 vote and has the authority to impeach the president or federal judges. The executive branch, led by the president, enforces laws. The president proposes laws, conducts diplomacy with other nations, appoints federal officials and Supreme Court justices, and steers foreign policy. This branch also includes the vice president and the cabinet, who advise the president. The executive branch also has the power to check other branches. For example, the president checks Congress by vetoing bills and can influence the judicial branch by nominating judges who align with their vision. The judicial branch, headed by the Supreme Court, interprets laws and ensures they align with the Constitution. The justices can overturn laws or executive actions deemed unconstitutional, keeping both the legislative and executive branches in check. And there you have it, the three branches of government, each with unique roles and the power to keep one another in check. The purpose is to create a careful balance that protects our democracy and preserves our freedoms.